Apple Vision Pro is Apple's augmented and virtual reality headset, a device that has been in development for more than a decade. Vision Pro marks the company's first entrance into a new product category since the 2015 Apple Watch. The device introduced in 2023 June. A launch is set for early 2024. While the Apple Vision Pro is definitely a headset, Apple doesn't make use of that word when referring to it. Instead, Apple calls it a spatial computer because of its ability to blend digital content with the physical world. Apple Vision Pro is a mixed reality headset that displays augmented reality content overlaid on the world around you and immersively entire virtual content. Everything you see is digital. For augmented reality content that doesn't make your surroundings disappear, Apple uses cameras that map out what's in front of you, translating that into a digital image augmented by virtual elements. For a virtual reality experience, Apple shuts off those cameras and can make it seem like you are completely isolated from what's going on around you, allowing you to focus solely on what's being displayed on the screen of the headset. This shift between the real and the immersive can be controlled with an on-device digital crown. Design-wise, Apple Vision Pro is not unlike a pair of sky goggles, featuring a singular piece of laminated glass for the front that melts into an aluminum alloy frame. The soft, fitted light seal attaches magnetically to the frame and conforms to your face to block out light. Two audio straps with built-in speakers are positioned at the sides of the headset, delivering spatial audio that blends when you're hearing on the headset with what's going on in the real world. The audio straps connect to a 3D knitted headband that holds the Vision Pro in place. Apple designed it to be breathable, cushiony, and stretchy for comfort, and a fit dial ensures the headset fits tight against your head. Apple plans to offer light seals and headbands in multiple sizes, and these components are swappable. Inside the frame, there are two micro OLED displays that deliver over 4K resolution to each eye for a total of 23 million pixels. There's also an external display called EyeSight that projects an image of your eyes so people can tell whether you're using the headset in an immersive mode or if you can see what's going on around you. For glasses wearers, there are custom prescription optical inserts that can be attached magnetically to the lenses of the headset. There are no controllers for Apple Vision Pro, with the headset instead controlled by the eye tracking, hand gestures, and voice commands, which looks very interesting. An app can be navigated to and highlighted by looking at it and then open with a tap of the fingers. Scrolling is done with a simple flick of the fingers. More than a dozen cameras and sensors in the Apple Vision Pro map out the world around you, keeping track of your hand and eye movements. Optic ID, which scans your iris with infrared lights and cameras, is used for authentication. Each person has a unique iris pattern, and Optic ID is akin to Face ID and Touch ID. It can be used for unlocking the device, making purchases, and as a password replacement. There are two Apple Silicon chips inside the Vision Pro, including the same M2 chip that's in the Mac and a new R1 chip. The M2 chip runs Vision OS, executes computer vision algorithms, and provides graphics, while the R1 chip processes input from the cameras, sensors, and microphones. Apple Vision Pro can take 3D photos and videos using a built-in camera that's powered by tapping on the top button of the device. Apple says that users can capture videos and photos in 3D and then relive those memories like never before. Vision Pro will also show existing photos and videos in large scale, making them more immersive. The thing to be noted here is that when you're recording a video, Vision Pro makes it clear that recording is happening with an animation on the external display. Due to weight constraints, Apple did not put a battery in Apple Vision Pro. Instead, it can be powered by braided cable that is attached to the battery pack, worn at the hip or plugged into an adapter. The battery pack offers 2 hours of battery life on a single charge. With Apple Vision Pro, content is displayed in the space around you. You can position apps and windows in mid-air, rearranging them as you see fit. With multiple windows supported, Apple says there's an infinite canvas to work with. Apps can be displayed in the actual environment that you're in, so you can stay present with what's going on around you. Or you can use a more immersive view that shuts out the world and puts content on a virtual background called an environment. A Vision OS operating system runs on an Apple Vision Pro and has a dedicated app store with apps designed specifically for the device, but it's also able to run iPhone and iPad apps. You can connect the Apple Vision Pro to a Mac with the headset serving as a display for the Mac. It works with Bluetooth accessories for text input and control. Or you could use virtual typing or dictation for text. FaceTime has been redesigned for Vision Pro. People on the call are shown in large titles to the headset wearer, while the headset wearer is shown as an accurate digital recreation. With FaceTime, Vision Pro users can collaborate on documents with colleagues or share apps with others, and spatial audio makes it clear who is speaking. The cinema environment allows you to watch shows and movies at the frame rate and aspect ratio chosen by the creator, or you can use a nature-themed environment to make the screen feel 100 feet wide. Apple created Apple Immersive videos that are 180-degree 3D 8K recordings that put users right inside the action. Plus, streaming services like Apple TV Plus and Disney Plus are available on Apple Vision Pro. As far as gaming, Vision Pro supports Apple Arcade with 100 iPad games to be available at launch. Games can be played with Bluetooth game controllers that connect to the headset. Now let's talk about the pricing. Apple Vision Pro is priced starting at $3,499 and is set to launch in early 2024. It will be available on apple.com when it launches, and in stores only in the United States to begin with. So this was all about the Apple Vision Pro, which is very exciting. Let me know your thoughts on the Vision Pro in the comments section. Give this video a big like if you've liked this video and the Apple Vision Pro. Subscribe my channel for more updates like these in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you next time in a new tech video.